One of the great things about CSS is that it allows you to change the look and feel of a website without ever modifying the markup. A site that demonstrates this perfectly is csszengarden.com, which you can see on the screen here. You see we have a very specific look and feel for the website. And if we view the page source, you'll see that we've got lots of markup, including a style sheet, which is linked here. However, if we pick a different style for this page, let's say screen filler, the look and feel of the page changes completely. The content has not. And if we view the page source for this page, we'll see that the markup is exactly the same. So if we go to line 56 in the new design and around line 56 in the previous design, we'll see the same exact HTML. There is one change though. If we scroll back up to the head area where we look at the style sheet, which is on line 7 here, and on the other design, also line 7, we'll see that the reference is different. This is linking to 217.css, and the previous design is linking to 214.css. That's the only difference on this page, and again, that demonstrates the beauty of CSS. All of the markup is the same, but the CSS is different, giving the users a completely different look and feel. And that's why it's so important to learn both HTML and CSS. HTML adds the structure to the page, and CSS adds the design.